Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson, and I'm a certified life coach. Do you ever feel like your affirmations are just not working? That maybe you feel stuck and you just want to give up? Well, then this video is for you, because I'm going to give you 3 ways to make your affirmations work. We're going to kind of mix some things up today and try some different things. Now, if you enjoy my videos, I ask you to please hit that subscribe button and also like this video if you enjoyed it. But let's go ahead and get started. So you're ready to give up on your affirmations, but I'm telling you, don't. They work. You may just have to change a few things, and that's what this video is about. Because if we had perfect faith in our minds and our hearts, we could manifest like this. But we're not perfect, and we don't have perfect faith. We can learn to get perfect faith, but it takes time because we have a lifetime of disappointments and setbacks. And sometimes that's what gets in the way to our manifesting. And that's what this video is going to deal with. 3 different ways. Now, sometimes you may be doing affirmations and it seems like everything is going wrong. But you know what? Don't give up. Because even with things going wrong, that is movement. It shows they are working. I like to use the analogy of a potato. A potato's in the ground and it's growing and sprouting, but we can't see it. But then one day you scoop it up and there is a full potato. So you don't know what is happening on the level of source of infinite intelligence. And I'm telling you, affirmations work. Don't give up, because you deserve the life you want. And they are a fabulous way to connect with source and manifest that life. But it's time to get to the 3 different ways. The first, I want to use them with feeling. If we're using affirmations for a long period of time, you may just be pronouncing them rotely, thinking, okay, if I say them 10 times, it's good. If I say them 20, it's even better. You know what? Maybe just say it once, but with feeling in it. Before you say the affirmations, I want you to close your eyes and connect with your I am presence. Connect with your soul. Connect with source. Take a few breaths and then repeat your affirmations with feeling, with emotion. So that's the first one, with feeling. The second, I want you to do some mirror work. I want you to look in the mirror, deep into your eyes, and tell yourself, I am ready to release old patterns that are holding me back. I am ready to release old patterns that are holding me back. I am ready for change, and I know change is coming. And then, after you do the release, then say your affirmations. And the first few times you do this, it's not going to feel authentic. But the more you repeat it, the more authentic it will become. And what you're doing is you're sending that right into your soul through your eyes. So try that. The second one is the mirror work. The third one is a physical release. Sometime we need to relax and do a physical release of old patterns and old habits. So for this one, I want you to sit somewhere where you're comfortable. Close your eyes. You take a few deep breaths. And you start relaxing from your head all the way down to your toes. I want you to breathe and relax your scalp, your facial muscles, get all that tension out, your shoulders, your arms, your fingers, your chest, your back, your legs, and your feet. And as you breathe, with each exhale, feel the tension is going, going, going. And then when you feel relaxed, and there's no set amount of time, it's whatever works for you, then I want you to repeat these sentences for the release. I am willing to release and let go. I am willing to release and let go. I release all fear. I release all fear. I release all sadness. I release all sadness. I trust the process of life. I trust the process of life. And then next, say your affirmation in this peaceful, relaxed state. So I urge you this week to try these 3, see which one resonates the best with you, because affirmations do work. And you are meant to live the life that you want. Connect with Source, connect with your soul, and it will happen. Have faith. Now, if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And remember, sharing is caring. But I'm sending you lots of love and light. Until next time.